Hey, what's up, you guys? Back again for another Venom X20 update. Yeah, I'm all bundled up because we got this solar vortex coming through here, boy. It's cold as I don't know what. I'm gonna start out in the garage here with a couple things. Let me see, can I flip this camera around? Oh yeah, there we go. Check this out. All right, this right here, I bought a lot of stuff that I'm gonna mod out my Venom X20. So let's start right here. So I'm gonna show you guys the motorcycle first. Oh yeah, I didn't even, let me take this video. Ooh. Can't show y'all my tag number, we can edit that out. But check it out, you guys. Oh, I guess we'll start right here with the cover. So, I got this nice cover right here. Who is by? Neverland. So, I got the motorcycle cover. Y'all just saw me take it off of the Venom. So that fits the Venom right here. Let me see, can I get a little bit more light on the situation here? There we go. So here's my motorcycle. So I got the motorcycle cover, which fits the Venom X20. Everything I'm going to mention in this video, I'm going to have a link for it in the description. And I got my motorcycle stand I put together. See, I got the rear wheels off the ground. I got the front. And I also have the front, but I didn't put the front on. I just got it sitting there. But I do have the rear up off the ground there. Here's how my motorcycle currently looks. As you know, it's wintertime in the Northeast, so not too much riding going on. So this is how it currently looks. So I want to get a good video of how it currently looks. And then you guys will see the transformation. Oh yeah, I did buy a little phone holder, you know, right here. It just fits real nice here. And also, I've got this lock too. This lock, basically, this is the cap lock right here. So basically, what you do with this lock, it goes right here, and you lock the. Oh, actually, I got it backwards. It goes just like this. You bring the brake up, and then you lock the brake in place, so that way you can't move it. So that lock goes in there. I usually just keep it right there when I use. So here's the current Venom. I'm gonna do a whole kind of stuff. I'm putting new pedals on it, passenger brakes. I'm gonna do a new carburetor. I'm gonna put kickstand holder, and I'm gonna, all these bolts right here, I'm gonna put caps on all these bolts, and I'm actually gonna change the handlebars right here. Make sure you guys, if you don't have a toolbox, get a nice little toolbox for all your stuff right here. Got the toolbox, and I bought something else. What was it? Everything else I got laid out inside the house. Right there. Let me see, what's in here? Yeah, so everything else I got in the house. So let's get in the house and see everything else that I got for it. Massive tool setup. Let me come back. 1, 2, 3. Put it back on me. Turn my little lights out. All right, let's get back inside. It's chilly in here. I need to figure out some kind of heating situation for my garage. All right, so let me flip this around and check this out. Here's all the mods I've got coming up that's going on my motorcycle. So we got a lot of stuff going on. You can see I'm gonna run through everything I got right here and let you know. I got my phone too, so I can read it off and let you know everything I got. So what I'm gonna do, I bought them in 2 different places. You guys saw the brake lock. Oh, okay, let's start here. So I guess we'll start here. These are tire caps. So let's start here. I bought these caps that go on your tire. So you got all different colors here. I bought some more. I don't know why I bought those. Then I got black here. I don't know why I bought. Well, I got all the colors in here, but all of these are tire caps right here. These right here, these are caps. Remember, I just say all the little areas of the bike where you can cap on top of a screw. These are little caps that accent the top of the screws on your bolts and everything on your bike. So I got that right there. Right, oh yeah, here right here. This didn't actually fit my Venom X20, but this goes on the kickstand, the bike stand. You put this under, so you know it look kind of fancy when the bike stand comes down. It didn't actually fit mine, so I'm gonna probably order another one that fits. So we put that on the side. What else I got here? I'm trying to run through it so I can give you guys the exact name of everything. I guess right here. So let's go here. Here is a exhaust pipe spring. This pulls the spring on your exhaust pipe, so you make sure you got that. I bought an extra battery, another battery, Mighty Max battery. And you guys see the Pro Taper stuff there. Oh, these lights right here too, guys. Check it out. I bought these lights because where I live, you can have what we call auxiliary lights. So I bought these lights, right? So I didn't want any permanent light. You just charge them up by USB, and you should. I think you just press it. One of these is charged up. Which one is it? Oh, you just tap it. One of these. But once you charge it up, you just literally tap it. You know, this is the magnet. So you just stick a couple of these. I thought I charged one of these up, but anyway, this you just stick underneath the bike, and you have underbody light right here. So I made sure I put a link to that in the description too. Those are just little underbody lights. So I guess we'll go. Let me make sure I'm trying to stay in order here before I bought a lot of stuff. All right, so let's go over here. No, we're gonna stay on this side. All right, let's see what I got here. Oh, here's some bolts. I bought some black bolts right here to go on there. Oh, these right here. This right here is engine mount bolts. Cause I remember looking at a video was saying there's something about the bolts that originally were on the Venom S20. You know, would come off after a certain amount of time. Well, not come off, but get loose. So I bought some stronger socket head cap screws right here. So that's what you see right there. Socket head cap screws. And I think, where is it? It's another area. I should have had this over here. But I don't see it right now. Okay. So we got that. Socket head screws. What else we got? Let me put the camera down here. More bolts. Right here I got the chain guard right here. I bought another chain guard. Actually, the chain guard should go with that stuff right there. And right here I've got a intake, automatic dirt. Here go the intake pipe. So this is just a little short intake pipe. Basically it's the same thing as that right there, but it's the steel kind. I don't even know what this is right here. Oh, damn, I didn't even know. What is this right here? Okay. Oh, these are some foot pegs. These did I buy? I got some more. I got some more stuff over there. Okay, so these are the driver's foot pegs. So I bought these. These are the driver's foot pegs here with all the stuff you need for that. That goes in there. Driver's foot pegs. Next up, what I got here? Oh shit. Alright, next up. Right here. Oh snap. Let me see what mode. Follow. Tilt lock. And right here we've got I've got the flashes, the turn signals. Here's the turn signals right here. So nice LED turn signals. We're gonna wire them up. These are the turn signals right there. So we got that. What else we got here? Oh, yeah. Oh yeah, I got some, make sure you guys get this. This is the wiring harness tape. So this is the tape you want right here. Strong abrasion, keep adhesive force. So got some adhesive tape right here. What else I got? What else I got right here? I don't even know. What is the? Oh, okay. Oh, these are my mirrors. I've been looking for these actually. I bought some more mirrors right here. I didn't like the ones that came with it. So these are low-level mirrors right here I bought. So bam, yep, I've been looking for these right here. I'm glad I found these. So bought some more mirrors. I'll link to that. All this stuff you're seeing right now is gonna go onto the bike. What is this? See, I got all, I ain't even got on this side yet. What I got right here? What is this? What is this? What is this? This is this is the license plate. A new license plate holder. So I'm gonna change. I don't like the one that's on there now. The one that's on there now is real long. So this is the license plate holder right there. Let's see what else. So let's come around here a little bit. I'm gonna come back to this stuff. And right here you see. Oh, here's gas tank. These are colors. If you notice, my bike is black and gold and red. It's got a little red here and there, but I'm gonna mainly make it black and gold. So here's right here, you got the accessories right here for the pipe, other accessories. These pro tapers too, and these go on the oil. This go on the oil, where you check your oil at, the oil cap. These are the oil caps. So those are oil caps. Here's the clutch. I'm gonna change the clutch out to gold. Here's the handlebars, shifters right here. Look, 1 through 6, bing bing. So this is the shifters. Here's the passenger foot pegs, and these are the knobs that go on the back screws. Crash. So if you have an accident, this will get all scratched up first before it gets to the bike. Here I've got a brush so I can clean my chain. Make sure you guys get that goof off. That goof off is a adhesive gunk remover. So if you want to remove all the little gunk on your motorcycle right here. Here's a chain. Right here, here's a chain. This right here stretches. To help you stretch your chain out, help you get your chain together. So this actually should be over there with the chain stuff. Handlebar holders right here. They say Grom on it, so I got this for the for the handlebars right there. What is this? It's a little box right here. I don't even know what this is. Oh, this is a plate. So when I do my muffler delete, I can cap it off. What's this right here? Oh, okay. This is part of the. This is another mount. This is another mount I had gotten for like for your GoPro. Yep, that's the mount for your GoPro. So you can put your GoPro on that, or I've got it on my helmet now. But that's the second way to mount my GoPro. All right, let's get into the big boy stuff. I guess I actually bought this carburetor on Amazon, right? I bought this first, and it comes with a little spark plug. But check it out. That was before I really was doing deep research, and I found out about the NIBBI carburetor. So I actually gonna install the NIBBI, even though I got that one. But as you guys know, NIBBI is top of the line. So I'm just showing y'all a comparison though. Here's the NIBBI in there. But I'm gonna put some highlights on NIBBI Racing. So here's the NIBBI carburetor right here. Just a comparison to that. So that's that. And look how much bigger the NIBBI is to that. So I'm not gonna use that. I'm definitely gonna use the NIBBI carburetor. But I'm gonna just keep that, just in case, whatever. Keep that as a little backup. So definitely gonna use that NIBBI carburetor. Now coming around here. Now this is why I need you guys help. I bought this one. I bought this muffler right here. So it has where you can take the piece out. But you see the size of that? And then I bought this one, which this one is supposed to be a better one. So it's smaller though. Look how much smaller it is to that one. So you guys let me know I think, what name did it have on it? It had a name in here somewhere, some type of name or something. But you guys let me know which one is better. This one costs more money than this one. Oh yeah, this one over here, the long one, is supposed to be like this is the name on the long one that you just stick on it. So I need to know which one should I go with. Should I go with the bigger one right here that's cheaper, or the smaller one that costs more money? I think this is supposed to be better. So you guys let me know which one should I go with. And I got muffler pipes here. So I've got the one pipe here, the long pipe. I think it was another one I bought. I can't, but I may have got oh, it might not have came yet, but I had another one. So I'm gonna change this off. Of course, I got the Pro Taper 42 420 match chain. I'm gonna change my chain on it. Here's another Sprocket chain. Right here, here's the Pro Taper handlebar. So I'm gonna change my handlebar out. Hey, you guys, make sure you get a nice power tool. So check this out. Don't use your regular tools. I mean, you can, but you want to get something. You want to get something like that. That's what you want to get, so you can change your tires, your screws. You want to get something that's got some oomph to it. So make sure it's not too expensive. And I got this little bolt too to help me out. This little bolt is one of those where it can go on any screw. You see that right there? It can go on any screw. So you don't have to worry about looking for screws if you don't have to. I still probably use the normal one, but that one, make sure you guys get some good oil. I got that Xterra 4T 10W40 oil, so make sure you guys get the good stuff as far as the oil. And I'm trying to see if that's everything. I think that, I'll mention, you guys right here, the chair. Make sure you guys get this chair. I did a video on it. Check out my video on this chair. So while you're doing work on your motorcycle, you got a nice little chair to sit down on. Matter of fact, I didn't sit down on it the whole time, but here's my massive mod list unboxing. You guys make sure y'all follow the channel, because I'm going to document everything I do. It's going to be a video of putting these parts together, getting the bike together. So make sure you guys follow and watch all the videos. So you want to know how to do any of this. Put foot pedals on, change your bolts, put the caps on, carburetor, rear lights, tape on the muffler. I'm going to put tape on the muffler for the heat. Change your chain out, handlebars, exhaust system, clutch pedal, footrest pedal, how to clean the chain. I'm gonna have a video on all of these coming, so let me flip you around. Yeah, I thank you guys for subscribing and watching my videos. Make sure you like and subscribe. It's gonna be a whole series of the Venom X20, my first motorcycle. Hey, you guys, I've always wanted a motorcycle. Just don't wait. I mean, if you can get one early in life, just, I'm glad I got it, but I wish I had got it 20 years ago. My first bike. After I finished doing all of this is like January right now, 2025. This is January. So by the time I finish doing all this and get a little riding in, I guess, by August, so about July, August, I'm going to go and upgrade and get another bike. So probably going to go to the 500. Thinking about the Kawasaki Ninja 500. So, but I'm gonna go through this whole progress and work on the little bike and know how to do everything. So hey, make sure you like and subscribe. Y'all stay warm out there. See you in the next video.